I'm in Borgo Parrini. Borgo Parrini is a very small village that was founded by the Jesuits in the 1500s, and it's in Partinico, about 30 kilometers away from Palermo. The village is basically a few houses and a square, which is the square that you see right behind me. This place became very famous in the 1970s because the mayor of the city decided to revamp completely this village and kind of take inspiration from Antoni Gaudí. All of the buildings remind the colors and the art of Gaudí. When Borgo Parrini started in the 1500s, there was nothing around here, literally. Like, there was land. And that was it. So it was an agricultural place. It wasn't until the 1700s, when the Jesuits built the first church, that this place started to become the village that it is right now.